I take one of these cast iflix. Okay, in the first video we talked about how to use our home Wi-Fi. I mean, configure to this Anycast device, then we can watch iflix. Now we are using mobile data. Okay, now we use mobile data to watch iflix. My mobile data is on. I don't have the home Wi-Fi. Okay, go to wireless display and connect to this SSID. Okay, I just choose one of these, then I play.
Anak saya cemerlang dalam aperture. Sustagen membantu perkembangan keseluruhan si kecil. Sustagen pilihan saya.
Yeah. What should I do now? Okay, now I want to show you how to use mobile data to watch iflix go through this Anycast device. Yeah, I'm showing now. You don't have a home Wi-Fi, but you only have this mobile data, and some more you want to use this iflix to watch movie. So what you need is second mobile phone. Okay, this is a second mobile phone. Enable your personal hotspot. Okay, and the password is, I put it in 1234567 My hotspot name is Hannah. Okay, done. Now what we do is okay, we temporarily disconnect. Now we don't disconnect this wireless display. Now what we want to do is we want to use this phone, okay, configure this Anycast, okay, to access the hotspot. Okay, setting, and you found this SSID EUR. This is a EUR SSID, and this is a password, and this is the IP address 192.168.203.1. Okay, now we connect to this SSID EUR, and the password is 1234567. Okay, to confirm 1234567, correct? Okay, now connect. Okay, it's connected. You can see the one here. Okay, it's connected and say no internet. Wi-Fi has no internet access. Tap for options. Okay, this network has no internet access. Stay connected. Yes. Okay, now it's connected. Next step is we using Chrome. Okay, then we key in the IP address 192. Okay, 168.203.1. Okay, go. Now we try to searching the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, please wait. Okay, we found, okay, this is the hotspot Hannah. Okay, I connect. and key in the password. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now we connect. Okay, one 192.166.203.1 bad connection. Yeah, forget about it. Just okay. See, the HANA SSID is here. Means that we managed to configure this Anycast device. Okay, access to this hotspot, HANA hotspot. Okay, using mobile data. And this mobile phone itself, okay, also need to access to this HANA hotspot. Okay, this is a HANA hotspot. Okay, we connect, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Confirm, everything okay, connect. It's connected, no internet. Yes, now it got internet. Means that now this mobile phone, okay, is connected to this, the second mobile phone hotspot, and this device Anycast also access to this HANA hotspot. Okay, the next step is we need to install this Google Home. This is the Google Home I already installed on this mobile phone. Okay, now I'll just wait about actually less than 1 minute. Yeah, it's coming up. Now I detect one of these cast IWA. Okay, connect to it, and here is cast my screen. Oh yeah, I make a mistake. Okay, try again. Cast my screen. Cast to mirrors device. Mirroring let you cast your phone's or tablet screen and audio to your TV or speaker. Note, this device is not optimized for casting, so you can experience me very cast screen. Okay, now what I want to do is, okay, we try to use our iflix. Okay, this is iflix. Okay, now I try to play this iflix movie. Okay, I play. Okay, can you see that? Now I'm able to play iflix, go through this Anycast device and using mobile data, but at least you need the second mobile phone to assist you. Okay, now I rotate. Okay. Now I want to stop it. Okay. I go to this Google Home. I just stop mirroring. then how about if I close it? Okay, I close it. So I'll go to this Google Home again. You see, it takes how long? We must be patient, okay, waiting for this Google Home to find this Anycast device. Yes, it is. Now you found this Miracast device. Okay, connect it. So you can add to a room, okay, if you want. Okay, and then just next, okay, move device. So where you want to move, you can put which room you want. I put in this dining room. Okay, I get next.